Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Hi guys, welcome to BDI Tech. This is your host Faisal. Today's video is about Microsoft Surface Pro 3 unboxing and does it still worth to buy in 2017? So if you put the box over and have a look at the back, you can see that we have here Surface Pro 3 Intel Core i5 processor, 256 gig SSD storage and 8 gig of RAM. So let's get to unboxing. Just lift the tab here on the side. Once the tab comes off, just like so, you should slide it straight out. There we have it. Wow, the Surface Pro 3 looks glossy and shiny. Let's put the box on one side and let's have a look on the Surface Pro 3. Let's remove the plastic from Surface Pro 3. Here we go. Holding Surface Pro 3 on your hands, it gives you a premium feel.
This is not a drill.
Let's put that aside and go through the rest of the box first. Okay, so in the middle we have the instructions and warranty information. So we have got a stylus pen. Here it's pretty and neat. The battery is here. On this side we have got the power cord with the Malaysian adapter on it. If we just get back to stylus pen, we can just unscrew and install the battery here. And as you slide it out, it gives you some instructions over there. You can put battery and slide it in. The pen feels comfortable on the hands and it definitely has the uses. The pen has the 3 buttons. The one on the top is double tap, takes the screenshots. Let's plug the Surface Pro 3 charger. As you can see, we have got the magnetic power cord on the side here. The little light that indicates the charging. Let's take a closer look on the hardware. The display on the Surface Pro 3 is 12-inch and it has a large bezel on the outside of it. On the left and right hand side, the Surface Pro, you will see stereo speakers. On the right side, Surface Pro 3 got 3.5mm audio jack and the volume buttons.
Let's begin now.
On top we can see the power button. Also, on side edges we have got the heat exhaustion. To the right side of the Surface is the mini display port, one USB port and a magnetic reversible power connection. The stand is Pinnacle. What makes Surface hybrid? It's refined from previous models. The stand can go all the way down to 130 degrees.
This is not a drill.
Repeat, this is not a drill.
The rear camera is just okay. It's 5 megapixels. It just takes pictures. But you should never rely on it as your self-device capturing or recording.
Is that all you got?
Hidden down the stand, there is a micro SD card slot. Overall, Surface Pro 3 is a great device and portable with touch screen. I really enjoyed the content on the Surface.